Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable or enable touch screen on your Windows 10 PC. For this, all you need to right click on this one start button and in the pop-up window select the device manager option. Once device manager opens, you need to click on this one human interface devices. Click on this one arrow button. In the drop down menu, select HID compliant touchscreen, right click on it, select here disable device option, Windows will prompt, click on this yes button. In case you want to enable touchscreen again or PC, again open device manager, right click on this one HID compliant touchscreen and select here enable option. This will again enable touchscreen on your Windows 10 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.